The rate of chemical reaction is doubled for every 10 degrees centigrade of temperature. If the temperature is raised by 50 degrees centigrade, the rate of the reaction is increased about 64 times, 10 times, 24 times, 32 times. For every 10 degrees centigrade rising of temperature, the rate of reaction is double. So when how to take 0 degree centigrade, starting with the 0 degree centigrade, 0 to 10 degree centigrade, 10 degree centigrade to 20 degree centigrade, 20 to 30 degree centigrade, 30 to 40 degree centigrade, 40 to 50 degree centigrade. For every 10 degree centigrade, the rate of the reaction is double. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times the rate temperature is increases. That is 2 power 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So you are getting 32 times the rate is increases. Fourth one is correct. A and B are van der Waals constant for the gases. Chlorine is more easily liquefied than ethane because first option A for chlorine is greater than A for ethane, but B for chlorine is less than B for ethane. Second option A and B for. Third one A and B for less than chlorine less than, and A and B for ethane. Fourth one A for chlorine is less than A for ethane, but B for chlorine is greater than B for ethane. The liquefaction is depends upon the van der Waals constant A and B values. A value is increases or B value is decreases. Liquefaction of gas increases. Liquefaction of gas increases. So both A is more and B is less. Then the liquefaction capacity of the gases is more. Here in first option, A value is more for the chlorine and B value is less for the chlorine than ethane. So the first option is correct. The next one. The hybridization of orbital of nitrogen atom in NO3 minus, NO2 plus and NH4 plus are respectively. First option sp2, sp3, sp. Second one sp, sp2, sp3. Third one sp2, sp, sp3. And fourth one sp, sp3, sp2. Hybridization, how to calculate it? Hybridized orbitals, how to calculate it? By using 1/2 group number plus monovalent atoms minus charge of cation plus charge of anion. To take the first one, NO3 minus 1/2. Nitrogen is belongs to fifth group. There is no monovalent atom. Oxygen is a divalent. And there is no cation monovalent atoms 0, cations are 0, and anion charge is 1. We are getting 6 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 3. So we are getting sp2 hybridization. And the second one, NO2 plus 1 by 2. Nitrogen is belongs to fifth group. There is no monovalent atoms. Oxygen is a divalent. And the charge of the cation is 1. That is 4 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. We are getting 2. That is sp hybridization. And the third one, NH4 plus 1 by 2. Nitrogen is the fifth group. Hydrogen 4 monovalent atom minus 1 cation charge. 5 plus 4 9, 9 minus 1 8. 8 by 2 equal to 4. That is sp3 hybridization. The first one is sp2, second one is sp, and the third one is sp3. So the third option is